Yo guys, it's your boy Signature D here. This is the third time I've tried to record this video. Anyway, today I'm gonna show you how I made a song that got, right now it's at 772,000 streams, right? Now there's a formula to this. So this song was on my album, right? But how I made this song, I wasn't really thinking too much, right? I was asked to make a song for a podcast at my old school, and I just like whipped it up, right? I wasn't thinking of trying to do anything complex or anything. I kept it really simple. Tip number one, keep it simple. Keep it very simple, right? That's the way to have a mass appeal, right? Mass appeal, right? Step two, structure. This is kind of heavy. Anyway, so look at the structure of this, right? Intro, 2 bars, short intros, right? The people don't like long intros. 2 bars, short intro, drop, 4 bars, second part to drop, 4 bars, bridge, 4 bars, next drop, 4 bars, next drop, 4 bars into the outro, right? So structure, you want to sort of maintain this structure, which like much shorter intro. You could even have a 1 bar intro. Like these songs these days just go right into it, you know, so you don't want to have a too long intro. I like having long intros in certain things, but I just know that those aren't going to do as well, you know. So yeah, after structure, second, this guitar stays the same the entire song. It does not change, right? So you heard it in the intro. That's what you hear for the rest of the song, right? So that sounds kind of boring, does it? Does it not? Here's how you switch it up, right? You add and layer different things to make it more interesting. So vocals, right? I like doing vocals on my tracks. I start off 2 bars, first 2. Next side. Next 2 bars. 3 vocals. Ooh. Right? Then you drop. 1, 2, 3, 4 vocals. Then the next 2 bars after that, how much vocals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vocals. Right? That's how you keep it interesting. Then the bridge, no vocals. Then next 2 bars, harmony of the nylon guitar. I call it nylon guitar, acoustic guitar. Then the drop comes back. More vocals here to keep it interesting, because we just came from this super thick like stack, you know what I mean? Super thick stack hair to go here, right? You can't come back in with 2. No, can't do that. So you come back in the big drop, boom, and you see next side, less vocals, right? Because we fading out, like we going out to the outro. So instead of having the extra vocals here, what I do, I play some more nylon string guitar. And you see, if I didn't have this nylon guitar, this acoustic guitar here, it wouldn't work here, because this would have been something completely new just being introduced in the second half, right? And be like, oh, where's that from? But I teased you with the bridge over here, you understand? Right. Class is in session. Anyway, so the guitar sample, how do you make this? How do you make things interesting? So this is the original sample, right? Okay, so I chopped it up. So I'll show you real quick. I'll create a MIDI track. I'm gonna chop this up. Command E, Command E, Command E, Command E. you get it, right? Then I go boom. Then I go boom. Then I go boom. And I continue going boom, right? Now, watch this. I could play it and make sure you gate everything. So gating will make sure that as soon as you let go, the sample stops, right? So it stopped, see? I don't know if you could see, but yeah. Boom, right? Right? And that's what I did. So I made a pattern and then and then boom, that was it. Obviously, I did some effects and stuff. If y'all want to see like mixing stuff as well, I could do that as well. Let me know in the comments below, right? And drums. Bass. I did the bass. Yeah, simple. Lead. All right. So I'll call this like a counter melody. So this is something you want to have in your music to also like keep it interesting and fill the space, right? Because you have going on. That's cool, but with the counter melody. Right. You understand? The vibes are higher, right? Anyway, the drums, simple. How much drums do you see here? Kick, big reverb snare, hi-hat, clap, and this Foley thing. It's actually just like a cassette tape. Yeah. Okay, right. Yeah. That's it. And that happens throughout the entire thing. There's not much change, you understand? And that's it. That's how you make a song that is interesting enough to get all these streams. Alright? Now if you enjoyed, thank you. I will probably be making more YouTube videos. Yeah. Subscribe, but let me tell you something. Only subscribe if you are actually interested in this, right? Don't subscribe if you're just my friend and you just want to look, like if you're actually interested, then subscribe, that's it. All right, bye bye. I pray to God this works.